with it. Got my cookie. Got my girl. Finna go out here and get this business took care of. I ain't finished the video the other day because the situation, they made us go get a reverse progesterone, and it's my first time ever having to do that. So y'all been looking for me. I've been busy with the Frenchies. Oh my God. Silent farts. Frenchies, man, it's a whole nother world, man. Oh my God. But yeah, had to take a pause, man, 'cause, man, she let some out like a fart bomb, like it just come out of nowhere, like. But yeah, yeah, they sent us back. We drove after a 2-hour drive to get this C-section. They tell us we need a reverse progesterone, so we take one. The numbers were up high, which was at a 9, and with it being at a 9, they like to get a shot. I mean, they like to get a surgery when it's lower than at least a 4. So we were at a 9, and so they sent us back home to do another test. Well, to come back for the C-section, but we had to get another progesterone from our vet in our area. And man, they were trying to get us to get our C-section there, but hey. But I don't know what it is, man. I've been my first 2 Frenchie breedings, and I've been getting low numbers as far as puppies, whatever. So I'm trying to figure this thing out, man. Is it a thing with the progesterones? Do they know when to breed so you don't get a lot of puppies? Do they know when to breed to get you a lot of puppies? I don't know. But a lot of things I gotta study and tap in with, because man, I'm sleep to this, man. I'm used to the big dogs, man. They breed on their own. I have no worries. Just go home, relax, and surprise. You got literally. But not with this one, man. It's all footwork. So you don't put the work in, you'll never get the prize. Shit. But yeah, we'll tap back in a second. So, like I was saying, we came out here to get a C-section. Man, I love the way they treat us out here at this vet, man. We got great hospitality. It's great here. But we came out here to get a C-section 2 hours out. The first time we came, they told us they didn't want to do a C-section without a reverse progesterone. So we took one. The numbers were too high to get to have a C-section, so they told us to come back once her numbers were lower. But she's already overdue, so she's 64, 65 days in or something like that. But they say it happens. Actually, when we went to the other vet to get the reverse progesterone to check to see if she was ready, she was at a 6, and that vet told us that her numbers, she wasn't going to be able to push out. We actually did an ultrasound too. So the numbers, when the numbers being like this, she wouldn't be able to push the pup out because she doesn't have but one puppy in, I guess. So there's not a lot in. There's nothing trying to force her to come out. So yeah, a day that's rolled over. We headed out here now to see what's up, man. Really don't want to speak too much on it. Whatever happens, happens. Lord blesses it. And yeah, while I'm at it, yeah, I appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. Appreciate the love, the YouTube love, man. Been seeing people out, and I appreciate it, man. Really appreciate it, man. From the kindness of my heart, man. Man, I'm doing this. I've been slacking on these videos, man, because I've been focusing on these Frenchies, man, and they take a lot of maintenance, man. And it's not like a bigger dog. The big dogs really they do their own thing. You just gotta really guide them and maintain things so they'll stay on point. But the little dogs, you gotta watch them like 24/7, man. So it's like no breaks. But yeah, we're gonna head out here and see what's to it, man. Also, with breeding smaller dogs, you got a lot more things to follow, a lot of guidelines, a lot of rules. So it's like you gotta get a progesterone test to see if she's ready or in heat yet. That can go for like you could 3-4 visits to the vet, and it's probably like $85, $95 each time. Also, the surgical, they're gonna charge you for that. That's one time, but get the surgical, you gotta get the C-section, and Lord forbid, hey, you don't got your own meal, you might have to get a stud feed too. So all these things you gotta add in. So everybody think it's easy breeding the little dogs. The little dogs put you to work, man, because it's really hands-on, man. And then not only that, man, this girl, she got gas, man. I don't know what she ate last night, but she is gassed up. I'm talking about, man, just like in school when the kid got the fart bombs, he'd drop them in the hall. You like, damn, where that come from? Man, that's how she hit you. But yeah, man. Never Never Land, man. Get it cracking, man. Just walk up here and check things out, man. Back with it, man. Nothing but blessings, man. Very happy. Got a Singleton, Uno, Solo, one puppy out the deal. Great, man. It's a blessing, man. Blessing in disguise, man. I don't know. A lot of people will be upset, but man, I'm happy. Very happy. Glad what I got. Thank you, Jesus.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.